Welcome to Me Report. In this video I will tell why you should not give bread to your child on a regular basis. Before I start to tell the reason, please do not forget to subscribe this channel and press the like button and bell icon. Share this video to your friends and families. A cup of tea and a loaf of bread in the morning is a favorite diet for a large number of families. It is very convenient to get bread as number of persons are selling bread to nook and corner of the country. Is it good to have bread on a regular basis? The answer is no. Unlike other food items, bread, especially white bread and items made from it, lack nutrients. You are not getting any fiber. You are not getting the wholesomeness of grains. Bread contains lot of salts and sugars. If you eat much of bread, you will start to gain weight because of all the carbohydrates, salt, refined sugars and preservatives. Food made from highly processed grains such as white bread cause blood sugar to spike soon after eating. Frequent blood sugar spikes can eventually contribute to the development of type 2 diabetes. One generally neglected thing about bread is the presence of alcohol in it. Bread contains small amount of alcohol. Alcohol is the byproduct of fermentation of sugar by yeast. The spongy look of bread is caused by the carbon dioxide released while the yeast break down the sugar. Yeast breaks down sugar into carbon dioxide and alcohol. Yeast is added while making bread to make it spongy. Drying process inside a bakery do not vaporize much of alcohol. When a child eats bread, he or she consumes the alcohol along with the bread. If bread is taken on regular basis, it makes a person addicted to alcohol. The addiction level is very low. So we do not know it. If a person stops eating bread for a day, he or she will experience alcohol withdrawal symptoms such as restlessness, irritability, insomnia, loss of appetite, etc. The withdrawal symptom is worse to a child as the body weight of a child is generally very low when compared to an adult. The percentage of alcohol in blood to a child after eating bread is higher than an adult due to low body weight. So, we should not give bread on a regular basis to our children. Thanks for watching.